Hello friends, welcome to the Angular 8 tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what is the custom pipe in Angular 8 and how we create custom pipes and how we use those created custom pipe in Angular 8. In the previous tutorial, we get to know what are the pipe and what are the already implemented pipe in the Angular 8. So basically, if we create the custom pipe, then we have to import pipe and pipe transform directive from the Angular core library, and in the pipe directive we have to give the name of our pipe which we will be used in the HTML file. So basically when we create a pipe, it created with this method called transform, and the syntax for that like export class pipe class implement pipe transform and then transform, and this transform method takes some parameter and we can take this parameter as per our requirement and the return type of this transform function. So basically to create a pipe in Angular 8 we use this following command like ng g for generate pipe and the pipe name and then flat. What is the meaning of flat is that if we use this flat, then it creates the pipe under the F folder only. So let's create custom pipe in Angular 8 and let's see how it works. So go to the Visual Studio Code, and what I will do, I will create a pipe for the multiplication of two number. So what I will do, I will take one number array. So I will take one number array variable and I will take it as a any type, and later I will take the constructor. In constructor basically I will define this number array, so what I will do, I will take num1 as 10 and num2 as 20. So basically we will create one custom pipe and we will pass these number and it will return the multiplication of the numbers. So here 25 and 35. So let's save it. And now what I will do, first I'll create the pipe in our Angular 8. So first close this terminal, create new terminal, and as I explained, like to creating a pipe we use the command like ng g for generate pipe, and we have to give the pipe name. So I will give like multiplication and dash, and here we will use like we have to like we want this pipe it create under the F folder, so we have to use the flat. Hit enter. So it will create two files for us. One is the specification file and another is the this ts file. So go to this ts file and we can see in this ts file like it is importing to directly like pipe and the pipe transfer from the Angular core library, and in this pipe we have our pipe name and this is the transform function. So basically here we will write our logic. So this is the parameter which will come from the HTML, and as we know we are going to pass numbers. So here I will write this is a number type, and another variable will be the number type only. I will take that variable name as a num1 and it will be also a number type. And as we know the multiplication of these two numbers, so we are going to return the number only, and here we will write the logic. So what we will return, we will return the multiplication of this value into and the num1. So that is all about the implementation of the pipe. So now in HTML page I will take one div and I will make the loop. I will make the loop of the given number. So for that ng4 equal to let item of, and we have to take the array which we have declared in the ts file, and here I will write multiplication of item dot num1 and num2 is, so what we will do, we have to call that file. So multiplication of these two is like num1 we will pass, and then pipe symbol, and we have to give our pipe name. So what is our pipe name is the multiplication, so just write pipe name, and we are passing the number 2. So basically when we see this multiplication pipe name, like it is taking the value as a number 1 and the second variable is the number 1 num1. So basically this value is this first, before the pipe we have write it take that value, and then next is the next num parameter is this, like we have to use our pipe name, then colon, and then the parameter which we are going to pass. So that is done, and before that what we have to see, this created pipe should be import in this module ts file. So like when we create is automatically added, so we have to verify it once, like this pipe created pipe should be import in the module.ts file. So that is all about the implementation of this. Now let's serve it and see on the browser what it is showing. So it is compiling, it will take little time. So it's compiled successfully. Let's see on the browser now. It is not loading. Let's see what we did wrong. So let's save it again and let's see what happened. Yeah, so we can see like it is loading correctly, like multiplication of 10 and 20 is 200, 20 and 30 600, 25. So it is output is coming as the expected. So what we have done to create the custom pipe, like first we added this array, number of array, because we want to do multiplication of the numbers, and later we created this custom pipe using this command like ng g pipe multiplication and flat. So it created two files for us, one is the specification file and another the ts file. In the pipe.ts file we have to give our logic, like in the transform method we have to pass the parameter as we want to, according to our logic, and the return type we have to write it, and based on that we have to write the logic. Then in HTML file we have to use the custom pipe, like I have used like multiplication, and it is taking number, so based on that I implemented it. So that is all about the custom pipe in Angular 8. If you have any doubt, please let me know. And the next like in the previous tutorial we have seen all these basic pipe in the Angular 8. So please I go to that video and see all about these pipes. So that is all about the custom pipe in Angular 8. If you have a question, please comment. Thank you.